Here's a John Deere 310 backhoe, 70s, early 80s model. This is a 1/16 scale made by Ertl. This is when kids' toys were really kids' toys. I have to say the machine itself is in really good condition. As you can see, the bucket and everything holds the way it is. I have all the pins. All the wheels are in great they're not loose. The only thing, no, actually I'm not even missing an exhaust deck on it. Everything still operates really well with it. The hose stays in position where you want it. A little stiff from being stored for many years, but can't complain. It's got the rear stabilizer. Same on both sides. You got your little handle up there to operate the bucket, and you just manually raise and lower the arm and the swing. The seat still swivels around for the operator of the backhoe. It still actually has the stickers on it from when it was made. I have to say, minus a few paint chips, this tractor is still in really good condition. The wheel still turns from the steering wheel. Just another short video. Some of my collection. I got nothing else to do. But there it is. John Deere 310 excavator. My bad. Backhoe.